Global stocks are this morning in free fall following US President Donald Trump's tariff announcement. Let's bring in Nine's US correspondent Reid Butler, who joins us live from Los Angeles. Reid, this has sparked concerns right across the world.
Yeah, good morning, Jane. Global markets are looking horrific right now. Wall Street, a bloodbath close to $2 trillion wiped off the US stock market. That is COVID level bad. And here in communities like Sun Valley in Los Angeles, families, retirement savings, that is what is at risk, but also their hip pockets are hurting right now. These tariffs of 10% on imported goods from pretty much all countries, including Australia, that has the potential to raise prices in the immediate future. And that is just the bare minimum. Those rates go up even higher for partners in Europe and countries like Japan and China. The White House, though, they are saying the message from the White House is absolutely calm down. It's going to be okay. This is the White House Press Secretary Karoline Leavitt earlier.
To anyone on Wall Street this morning, I would say trust in President Trump.
Now, today we've also had tariffs in the United States come into effect on imported cars of 25%. Canada has become the first big player to retaliate, putting in tariffs of their own on some American cars. Jane, it's a mess and it is just going to get messier.
OK, Reid, thank you.
Welcome back. Well, Donald Trump's divisive economic vision has been laid bare this morning, and it's being described as upending world order, with his sweeping tariffs sending shockwaves right across the globe.
But just how is this impacting the world's economy? For more, we're joined by CNN's international business correspondent, Richard Quest, live in New York. Richard, great to have you with us today. Here in Australia alone, $60 billion wiped off the stock markets. The impact huge throughout the world. The headline writers having a field day with it. What would yours be if you were writing one?
Economic vandalism. Seems to be a good one. What a mess. The fact that the markets are down so sharply makes perfect common sense. 5.5% on the NASDAQ here in New York, because what the Trump administration is doing, and they admit it, Donald Trump's just speaking a few moments ago, calls it a major surgery, major operation on the global economy. They're trying to rewire the global economy, global trade, and they're doing so with a sort of not just a scalpel, they're doing it with a big chainsaw. And that is what the problem is. It's the wholesale nature. It's the indiscriminate nature. 10% on Australia, 40% here, 30% there. It doesn't have to have any rhyme.